Hello, hello. If you would like to join me for a look at my Aura Estelle / Annie Plans collab planner cover, then stay tuned. Okay y'all, so I had done a previous video on the actual planner guts themselves for the Aura Estelle Annie Plans collab, and this is the cover, elusive cover that I was talking about that came in a bundle with the planner, and it finally came in. So this one is actually called the Dewy Pink, and it is a vegan leather, and it kind of has this like crackling effect on it. Oh, there you go. That was like, it just kind of banged right to it. You could see it quick. So it is shiny, but the leather itself has this like crackled effect. The edges are finished off in that pink, and there is, we'll get into it, but there is this front pocket. So this one functionally is actually really good, and I really don't have a lot of complaints about it as far as that goes. I'm not a huge fan of vegan leather. I will be upfront there. I have tried a handful of different ones. I have another one that I'm selling right now. I'm on the fence if I'm going to sell this one or not. I don't know. We'll see. I haven't fully decided. I do like the color, but again, like I said, I really do enjoy my ostrich. I enjoy my Apoca, my Janet leathers, and I do have a fair amount of B6 covers that I can choose from. So I really did get this one mostly because the cover itself wasn't going to cost me a whole lot of money, and I wanted the bundle with all the dividers. But that was a long bunny trail. I apologize. Let's get into the cover. So it is B6. It does have this big pocket in the front, and as you can see, if we look really close, it is tight, which is a good thing. It has kind of like a material in there. Let me see if I can get y'all closer. There you go. You can see the material. So it is like a material on the inside, and then opening it up, this is what we have. So we have a secretarial pocket here, and my dogs are going nuts. I apologize. With that same kind of material. There is 3 card slots, and let me grab, I don't know if I have my business card. Give me a second and I'll grab that, and we'll just flip it over. So there's a business card, and yeah, so you definitely cannot obviously put them in this way, but they slip in nicely like that. That's how deep the pockets are there. So you can kind of see that. You have that big secretarial pocket, so you can really fit in a lot of stuff. There are 2 like ribbon-like bookmarks with matching round leather, vegan leather on the bottom. And then on the back side, you have again another big secretarial pocket there. And your pen loops are not here on the side, they're actually in the clasp. So you have 2 small elasticated pen loops. The elastic part itself is fairly thin. I only have like a clean dots thing in there. I can almost see that stretching out and not working out so well for longevity wise, but they look halfway decent. And then it's tough to see it, but at the very bottom, there's this like little thing where you can put like a dingle dangle and, you know, prettify it up if you want. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. It is fairly large, so the actual planner does kind of flump around in it a little bit. I'm trying to maneuver it so that it's not as flumpy. But you can see there's lots and lots of space. So if you're somebody that likes a tight fit, this particular cover is not going to be for you. But I do believe that they did that to just really make sure that they were super clearing all this space here for their side tabs, which obviously that's a lot of space, so you're definitely going to be able to clear those side tabs. So that is the Dewy Pink. I know that they offered a few other ones in the same thing. There was a number of different colors, and then there were some that had like scalloped edges and so on and so forth, but this is the Dewy Pink. It's coming off pretty true to color here for sure, and as you can see, it's definitely like shiny and not matte. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about this, like I said, it is the Aura Estelle and in the Dewy Pink. I know my dogs are crazy, sorry. It is currently sold out, and I'm not sure if she's gonna have them back in stock before long. But if you have questions, comment down below, like and subscribe and all that fun stuff, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!